After the static optimization is completed, it is now time for the user to experience the Taleo Adapt's freedom of movement. First, have the user rock forward, backward, and side to side. Let the user step onto the heel and toes to get an idea of the range of motion, as well as the hydraulic dampening. Observe the angle indicator lines to check if the user is utilizing the range of motion of the Taleo Adapt in the proper way. In the next step, place an obstacle below the forefoot and let the user find their balance point. Then do the same with the heel. The user should feel that the Taleo Adapt makes standing on uneven ground and slopes much easier than with a conventional prosthetic foot. Once the user feels confident with the Taleo Adapt in different static situations, it is time to experience the hydraulic support while walking.